Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. Unlock the phone and enable developer options where necessary. Once done, back up current system UI settings and note any launcher or OEM skin differences because behavior changes. Next, install a trusted icon pack or a system UI tuner app and grant the permissions it requests. Make sure to allow overlay or notification access if prompted. These steps prepare you so the visual changes will apply correctly and won't be lost during a reboot. You now perform the detailed changes. Open the system UI tuner or the icon pack and go directly to the mobile data or status bar icons section. Once there, choose the glyph you want, text like 4G, numeric 5G dots, or simplified bars, and preview the result to confirm readability. Then adjust size, color, and alignment so it remains visible against different wallpapers. Remember why? Legibility and consistency improve quick status scanning, so fine-tune until it feels natural. You finish by applying changes and rebooting the device to ensure the icon persists across lock screen, home screen, and notifications. If the icon fails to appear, make sure the app has overlay and notification permissions, and confirm your launcher supports custom status icons. If problems continue, clear the system UI cache, update or reinstall the icon app, or try an alternate launcher briefly to isolate the issue. One key tip: always test after a reboot. That reveals permission or compatibility faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.